be high as a kite by then. And I think it's gonna be a long time, a touchdown ring kind of man. I think I am at. Oh no, no, no. I'm a rocket man, rocket man. Na, 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 na. And I think it's gonna be a long time. And I think it's gonna be a long time. I need to get one of those heated jackets. Saw that on TikTok somewhere. The heated jackets. They do look nice. Would probably do a good a bit of good this colder weather. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. The touchdown brings me round to find. About food.